If your fridge is covered in souvenirs, you're living with science. Those colorful magnets holding up your favorite photos and grocery lists aren't just decorative, they're tiny marvels of physics at work, right in your kitchen. Every time you stick a magnet to your fridge, you're tapping into invisible forces that have fascinated scientists for centuries. Magnets aren't just for holding up shopping lists, they're a part of our daily lives in ways you might not even realize. From the moment you wake up and see those magnets on your fridge, to the technology you use throughout the day, magnets are quietly working behind the scenes. They're a window into the weird world of physics. So, what's going on inside a magnet? Why do some objects stick together while others don't? The answer lies deep within the building blocks of matter. Well, everything's made of atoms, and inside those atoms, electrons are zipping around. Electrons aren't just sitting still, they're constantly moving, spinning, and creating tiny magnetic fields of their own. Think of each electron as a miniature magnet, spinning and generating its own force. In most materials, these electrons point in random directions, so nothing happens. Their tiny magnetic fields cancel each other out, making the material non-magnetic. That's why you can't stick a magnet to a wooden table or a plastic cup. There's no organized force to grab onto. But in magnets like the ones on your fridge, most of the electrons line up the same way. When enough of these tiny magnetic fields point in the same direction, they combine to create a much stronger force. This alignment is what gives magnets their power, allowing them to attract certain metals and stick to your fridge with ease. That creates an invisible force field called a magnetic field. You can't see it with your eyes, but you can see its effects. Like when iron filings arrange themselves in beautiful patterns around a magnet, tracing out the invisible lines of force. This field is what makes magnets so mysterious and fun to experiment with.